genre of dances. Sometimes you sit in the audience and you find yourself transformed, and time stands still. That's a sign of a great performance. And don't you wish sometimes as an audience member that you could choose who the winner was? This is the People's Choice Award. And there's no greater honor than to have you, the audience, help choose this winner. Let's take a look at this year's nominees.
The nominees for the 2013 People's Choice Award are Bell Hops by DeForest Dance Academy from Elmhurst, Illinois. Off Time by CNC Dance Company from Bowie, Maryland. Set It Off by Kincaid Dance Industries from Maple Grove, Minnesota. Revenge of the Ugly Duckling by The Winter School from Salt Lake City, Utah. Forever Prince by Center Stage from Bloomingdale, Illinois. Pop Culture by TJE Dance Force from Holbrook, New York. Matilda by Commotion School of Performing Arts from Australia. And Beautiful by Temecula Dance Company from Temecula, California. These are your People's Choice Award nominees.
Wow, what a performances. Okay, the winner of the 2013 People's Choice Star Award goes to Set It Off, Kincaid Dance Industries.
We're supposed to be here. There are teachers, DJs, everyone who choreographed this dance. And thank you to them. Thank you to everyone who danced in it. And if you're in Katy, yell right now. So thank you very much for this award. We all appreciate it. And we definitely worked really hard and enjoyed this dance so much. So thank you.
Here to present the 2000